Kijana, why are you not in class? A form 4. Why are you not in class? In discipline case. Hauna shati, kneel down. I say kneel down. Nasema kijana, kneel down. Naacha kuniangalia hivyo. Mimi si age wako, kneel down. Kneel down.
Mwalimu kushtuka. You know, I'm Mr. Musa. I have been in this school since 4 years ago, and I know kind of these boys they have bad behavior, especially when they see a new lady.
Wow, nice to meet you, Mr. Musa. Wow, kasi wewe pisha mimi.
Can I get your contact?
Tuonane majioni. I have a class to attend.
Tutaongea jioni. Mwalimu, utangoja.
Nitakuongoza. Tuonane jioni.
Sawa.